friends, welcome to Mom's Kitchen. This is me, Sagnika, and today's recipe is watermelon juice. I can guess most of your favorite fruit is watermelon. Do you know watermelon consists of 90% water? Increasing consumption of watermelon decreases the risk of obesity. It prevents heat stroke and kidney disorder. Now let's watch the recipe. Take watermelon, half chop into small pieces. Sugar half cup. Black salt 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Now add all the ingredients to the grinder except the lemon juice. And make a smooth paste of black salt, sugar and watermelon. After the smooth paste, add the lemon juice to the watermelon. Now the watermelon juice looks ready to be served. Serve it in a beautiful container. I wish you all enjoyed the video. To know about more recipes, please do watch Mom's Kitchen and do like, share and subscribe.